Hi there, it's your favorite hairstylist, Little Miss Haley. Today I'm going to review the entire Olaplex line from number 0 all the way till number 7. So this product line is definitely one of my favorites. I recommend it to all of my clients. It's awesome. It's for blondes. It's basically for everyone, but each thing does something different. So I'm going to kind of explain what would be best for your hair and why I like it so much. So Olaplex is a bond building treatment. So it builds the bonds of your hair. We also use it in the salon when we color your hair, virtually no damage is done. It's really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. This first one is Olaplex number 0. This is an intensive bond building treatment. I absolutely love it, but you have to use it with Olaplex number 3. So number 3 you can actually use by itself, but if your hair is box colored, just super damaged, bleached out, if it's like really sad and needs some intense treatment, I would highly recommend get these two together. It's going to make your hair so much better. Number 0 is applied by, you apply it all over your hair, it's completely saturated, and you wait 10 minutes, and then you do number 3 and wait another 10 minutes. And your hair will feel so good, and then you follow it up with your shampoo and conditioner. Olaplex number 1, so that is actually a treatment we do in salon. We add it to the color, whether it be lightening, so if you're getting highlights, if you're getting like platinum blonde, if you are getting balayage done, we actually add that to the lightener so no damage is done to your hair. It's amazing, and it allows us to do some pretty cool colors without creating so much damage. It is awesome. I've been using it for about 2 years now, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Number 2 is also a treatment we do in salon. It is like an amped up version of number 3. So number 2 is pretty potent that professionals have to use it. So that's like a stylish use only. But then number 3, that's the one that you take home, and then you do your conditioning treatments at home, and you do it 2 to 3 times a week. I do it every time I wash my hair just because mine is pretty damaged. That it looks so good because of the Olaplex, but I usually do it every time I wash my hair, and I wash my hair once a week. Shampoo, love this shampoo. Anyone can use it. So this is for all hair types. It repairs, strengthens, and protects against future damage. Absolutely love number 4. Anyone, yeah, blondes, I recommend this to all my clients. And to most of my clients who have regular healthy hair, it will not weigh your hair down. It will just make it nice and shiny. Number 5 is the conditioner. Love this conditioner. It is super, super thick though. Even though it is very thick, it will not weigh down your hair. So this is a thick product, so thick so that I have to actually store this upside down in my shower so that it can actually come out the bottle, because it's pretty thick. So love this conditioner. And this is probably, if I were to say my favorite one being number 3, my second favorite one is number 6. This is just an awesome leave-in conditioner that will not weigh your hair down, but the amount of shine it gives is amazing. Number 6 I recommend to most of my military guests who have to wear that tight bun. A lot of my military guests, their time is short, so when they do that bun, it's usually wet, and they get a lot of breakage, and they get all these little baby hairs going on. What I recommend is after they get out of the shower and they go for that bun, put some of this on the mid-shaft and ends of your hair, and it will help it out so much, so you won't get that breakage. It really is amazing, and it smells so good. All these smell really good. And this is the last product. This one is Olaplex number 7, the bonding oil. So you can see I've used this one quite a lot. It will last you a really long time, this one, and I use this one every single day. I've honestly had this thing for a year, and it doesn't look like it's all the way done yet. Yeah, I still got a lot of stuff in there. So this one is a bonding oil that will kind of just smooth out your hair. It gives you lots of shine. It's really lightweight. So it is, it's not really as thick as, say, a Moroccan oil or some of the other oils out there. This is super light. So I usually use it wet and dry. So when my hair is wet and after After I apply number 6, that's when I go for number 7 when it's wet. Once my hair is dry and I have it styled, usually with some curls, I'll give a couple pumps and then just kind of smooth out the hair. And I'll kind of demonstrate, I'm actually going to use all these products today, so I'll demonstrate how to properly apply all these lovely products. So I'm going to show you in order of which to apply each product, starting off with our Olaplex No0, our intensive bond treatment. This is the one for the very extremely damaged hair. So how you apply this one is you kind of saturate each section. Now I like to do it in 4 sections, so I will section off my hair, and you do this when your hair is dry. Mine's a little damp, but that is okay. I'll section off my hair into 4 sections and then just go for it. Start off with the ends and saturate it all the way up to the top. And then we wait 10 minutes once this is fully applied, and then we're going to put number 3 right on top of this. And number 3 works best when your hair is completely saturated with this one, number 0. Getting it good. All right, now that my hair is completely saturated, now I'm going to cover everything with a generous amount of number 3. And this one you can use without number 0. Number 0 is a treatment I would probably use just once a month because it is very intensive. This one you can use 2 to 3 times a week depending on how often you shampoo your hair. I only wash my hair once a week, so I do use this every single time I shampoo my hair. It's amazing, I love it. But with number 0, you will notice amazing results. So I'm going to do a generous amount. Ugh, look at all this hair. I'm shedding like crazy, y'all. And then we just put it all over this. Now number 0, you let sit 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes is up, then you apply this one, number 3. And then you wait another 10 minutes. After that 10 minutes is up, then we're going to follow up with Olaplex number 4 and 5, our shampoo and conditioner. After we have shampooed our hair with number 4 and number 5, let sit on for 3 minutes in the shower, the conditioner. It will make a big difference. Then we do number 6 and number 7, our last steps. So number 6, this is a leave-in conditioner, anti-frizz, absolutely love it. Second fave, and I do apply a generous amount. I go with that, and you can see it's super thick, but it will not weigh down your hair. That's about a quarter size. All of these products too smell amazing. To me, they're very lightly scented and their aroma is a very clean smell. It's not too perfumey, it just smells clean. And they all smell the same. Every single, the treatment, the No0, it doesn't really have an aroma, but all the other ones smell the same and it smells so good. And I will actually comb that through. So give that a good comb through. Nice. And then once that is nice and combed through, then I just apply the final one, No7. And I do about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 pumps. And I do, when it's dry, I do about maybe 2 or 3 pumps when my hair is dry. And I usually just apply it to the ends. And these little pieces that are extra blonde, I hit them, give those a little extra love. And that's it. Then you blow dry and style your hair like normal. You can use heated tools and your hair will feel like brand new hair. After using this for just the first day, I noticed a big difference, but as the months go on, you'll notice that you are able to grow your hair much longer than you thought you could. This honestly is probably the longest my hair's been since I've been in high school, and that was a very long time ago, but love the products. Try them out for yourself. Drop a comment below if you like them. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to this channel so I can make more videos like this. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this educational film of Olaplex. Bye-bye.